Okay, we are at Tackleberry in Chiba. This Tackleberry is one whole building itself. Looks beautiful. This is 100 yen. 100 yen stuff. See all these lures. I think 100 and 200 yen. Nice. Some rods. Too bad it's very hard to bring back because I never bring a pole rod. I never bring a rod tube. These are the sea fishing weights and sabigis. Some bags, accessories. Some lures. These are all new. So Tackleberry is not just about second-hand stuff. So over here you can see these are some expensive stuff. Nikosoji for saltwater. Wow, never seen this before. Not cheap. These are the split rings. Sorry, not split ring. Plier. Okay, we haven't reached the exciting part, huh? These are all still new things. Okay, we don't see new things. We see the exciting part. So as long as they are in this bag, they are like used. So this way you get all your good use. Well, they like to use this very interesting shape of the weight. See a lot of this. Then you have all these are all used. You have a lot of rubbers here. This is a spoon and spinnerbait and buzz baits. Wow, this one even this kind of thing also got second hand. Plier also got second hand. Grip also got second hand. Wow, see giant spoon, that spoon. All your crankbaits. So new. Oh, these are all the minnows. So you have to be able to see whether you see, like this one is a jackal. I forget the name already, but this is a jackal lure. Sometimes you can recognize from the eyes. This should be the mega bass. I see, it's a mega bass. This one look like this one don't know what. Dual. This is dual. Doesn't look like a dual. So sometimes behind also got good deals. Got to find slowly. If you know what you're looking for, then good for you. Like the one behind is the mega bass. This one should be Rapala. This one should be. This one looks like Maria the first, but I may be wrong. This one is Rapala confirmed. So I just give you a quick look. This is vibes. So you see, this is a depths, I think. Should be depths. But already on second hand. Just now I saw it. It was I think $30 or $40. Over here about 20. Then you have your big. A lot of these big swim baits, they are always on sale, so I always saw them. See, big swim baits. A lot of swim baits here on sale. So on sale as in second hand. This is a gun craft. Is it gun craft? It's only like $21 around there. And over here another gun craft. This is no hook, so even cheaper. And behind you have your shower blow. There you see, you can see this is the soft lure. This is the gun craft. Okay, let's see the big gun craft how much. See, the big gun craft is only about $20. So this is how Tackleberry works. know what you want. You must recognize the lures and their price. This one I bought a lot for my trip. See, so here got a lot. This one is like their toy lure, look cute one. This one is the Depths Evo. I think $30 over, but now it's $19. Here is a squid. Then these are the saltwater stuff, heavier stuff. Then there's the saltwater minnows. This is new stuff. Then these are the second-hand reels for spinning. It's also spinning. Then some big casters over there. But some are new lah, so you must check properly. So you see, this one is a second-hand DC 101. That's going for about 470, 480. And this is the old Essence DC, if I'm not wrong. At the Preowned BFS second hand, only about 18 is about $170, $180. Okay, so that's it. Hit the like button, subscribe button, and see you in the next episode. And bye.